Okay, so we'll discuss about slicing, string slicing. So, which is a very important thing for us to know. If you know slicing, it is good. And let's use this sentence. So we have that sentence. So uh, let's do one thing. Let's make it this way, and sentence. Okay. So I have just stripped the white spaces and what we want to print here. Let's say if I want to print the Python only. Okay, so how can I do that? So what I'm telling, so there are many ways. Like if I know, if I count till here and I know what is the index, and then I'll know what is the last index, right? And then I can use that, right? So another way is I can start from this side and uh, till go till here, right? But problem here is we know we can we know that. Okay, let's try that. uh, Let me try one thing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6 and dot. hmm. Okay, sentence is not defined. Yep, that was my bad. Okay, so you see here what I am doing here. So this is the start index and this is the end index. So what I am telling, you start, this will always go in this direction. Okay, so it will tell Python or this that you start from -6 string and go till end. So when I'm not putting anything here, if it is blank means it will take end of the string. Okay, and for example, let me just find out the length of the sentence. One second. uh, so it is 39, right? So 33. Okay, so if I take sentence 33 to 39, now this will also give me Python because uh, so this is where I'm telling, rather than, okay, let's take another example. Okay, I am telling -6 3 4 8. Let me try this. 2 -4. Okay, not plus 6 8 plus 6 12. 12 and minus 8 14 and 10. Yep. So what I'm telling Python to start at this, which is minus 14th index, and go till -10. So I think we know that negative number, this -14 is smallest and this is greater, right? So that is it. So I'm telling that just start from this index and go till this, which is excluded. Okay, so yeah, so that is where, otherwise it's 5, right? 10 11 12 13 14 15, yeah, so it's excluded one. Yeah, so this is how the slicing works. Okay, so uh, the slicing is something which uh, I think it's a name, it also says, right? So you are slicing, cutting the string into smaller chunks or something of that sort. Okay, so this is one thing which is there, and another thing which is step also. So let me just create a new variable for that. Okay, so if I say name 1, are okay. So you see that it has step. This is called step. How many so here when I'm giving second step, so it what it is doing, it is discarding edge, then it has discarded the next one. Okay, so every second, so every first, so there was no difference here, right? So just printing name and this does not mean, so here again all starting till end, right? That's how it meant. So if I say I start with, let's say, 1 index, then it will be hn because I'm starting from h, which is the first index, right? So this is how it works. Now so the use, how we use this kind of a representation uses, let's say I have name, right? And I ask you to reverse it. So there can be many ways, but simplest way is just -1. So what this does is this will reverse the string. Okay, so like that I will try with a sentence. Yeah, so it has done. Okay, so this is one of the important thing which we should know. With that, I think I tried to cover most important things. If anything missing, I would recommend you to go ahead and read about it. And if anything you find missing here, feel free to write a comment, and I'll try to see whether I can cover that in the future sessions or not. That's all for this video. Thank you.